Hi everyone, welcome to our first lecture. In this part of the unit, we take a glimpse into the evolution of chemistry as a science and its development into modern chemistry and also its structure, branches, and scope. The rapid developments in chemical science and technology have been responsible for the dramatic changes in all kinds of industries ranging from agro, pharmaceuticals, petrochemicals, textiles, building materials, drugs, cosmetics, engineering materials to electronics, computer technology, and food. And these changes have an impact on every aspect of human life. Perhaps we can say there is no branch of science and technology which has no connection with chemistry. So, the chemistry can be regarded as a mother science. In order to study the evolution of chemistry as a science, we just have to look back to the ancient speculations on the nature of matter. By 600 BC, certain Greek philosophers began to interpret natural phenomena. And they started asking what were the substances of which world was made up of. Empedocles proposed a theory that all substances in the universe were made up from four primary roots: air, earth, fire, and water. After this, Aristotle introduced a primary matter which could assume the different forms of these four elements. It could be fire, it could be air, it could be water, and it could be earth. During that time, it should have the possible properties like hot, cold, moist, and dry related to matter as shown in the figure. There was a very similar concept among Indian philosophers too. You may heard about the concept Panchabhuta, right? According to this, there are five forms of matter: earth, water, fire, air, and the empty space, that is, sky or Agash. And the Greek philosopher Democritus proposed a very revolutionary idea that all forms of matter were composed of a single material that existed in the form of tiny indestructible units. What we call them? Yes, atoms. And they finally understood that substances differed from one another in the size, shape, positions, and properties of the atoms they are made up of. Similar viewpoints were proposed by many philosophers in various parts of the world. For example, the Indian philosopher Kanada, in his book Vaisheshika Sutram, had described the minute indivisible particles of matter by the term Anu, meaning atom. So, this is an ancient speculation on nature of matter. In the coming session, we will be discussing about the early form of chemistry. Thank you.